Okay, if you can come round every night and do something, we'll move away from channel 19. Mr. Trucking and Farming, box 10, set 3, Rotel RVC230. This particular one's fitted with the low tier chassis. It doesn't have the extra receive bit, it has the lower filter as well. But the sensitivity of this is absolutely through the roof. We've got 0.19 microvolts for 10 decibel SINAD. So, you know, it's absolutely unbelievable. It's one of those sets in 1,000. I think the camera's waltzing away. Let's see if Mr. Chippie's there. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger, I'll get my extension speaker plugged in.
Roger that, let me know when you're ready.
Is that the right one? No. Is that the right one? Was only 2. Roger, ready?
Roger that, plug in.
Roger, dodger. And then at the end we will run with a factory original Rotel genuine mic.
Right, passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and I've got a tone control.
Roger that, so we're heading up the lane towards the end of it.
Aye.
Now
No.
passing the passing place
Aye.
and doggy daycare.
Roger on that, that's fine.
Roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Ancaster service station, and it's closed.
Roger, nothing still raining out there?
Oh, negative. No, it's very cloudless sky. A lot of stars out tonight.
Oh, Roger.
Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger.
One of the hymns read at church this morning, the second verse is dark and dreary is the morn. It's absolutely right.
Yeah, it has been so far this year. Passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on
a Rotel RVC230 from 1981, and he's doing full force output. I'm on the standard replay, so fine, okay,
Yep, roger that, all received, no problems.
Roger that.
Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Grayleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on this Rotel RVC230 from 1981 using standard replacement mic, doing a 4/4 output, and it's going 1.2. I'm just going to pop it on low power set for 400 milliwatts. Here we go, 54321. There we're on low power. The radio's now going 530 milliamps. Go back to full power. There we are back on full power. Over.
Yep, roger that. No problems on full power, no real problems on low power.
Okay, that's fine. Off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Alright, we're on the move again.
Roger, roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over. Yeah, 136.9, 144.7.
Okay, I was absolutely brilliantly. Thank you very much. 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby Level Crossing. Wondering if that petrol station's open at this time. Over.
Yeah, 136.9, 144.7.
Okay, that worked absolutely brilliantly. Thank you very much. 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
There you are. You can't get better than that. 0.19 microvolts on receive for 10 decibel SINAD, 0.2 for 12 decibel SINAD. Absolutely off the clock. So we've had a couple of York 861s do this. I think we've had a Bannerton 5-star do this. It's not often I see that. There you go. I'll go over to our base station. We'll see what it sounds like, and I'll take the wrapper off this factory original mic. Right now, I've already tested it actually works by going into PA with it, and that looks in nice condition too. See what it sounds like on our Midland 76900 base station. And just to remind you, that base station of ours has exactly the same innards as what's in this, the Cybernet 134 chassis.
Tango 21, testing Rotel RVC230 to our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 12345 on full power. On our standard replacement mile, we'll go to low power for home test. There we go on low power, 400 milliwatts.
on, it would diminish on low power, and there we are back on full power. Now swap microphones to the factory original. And here we are back on the factory original mic now. Now when I did some tests on public address, I felt this microphone was low gain.